Merry Christmas, everybody. This is Bill Freeman with Freeman's Construction. I'm up here in Julian on this vacation home that we're building up in North Peak. I wanted to show you a couple different things on this home that we're doing, a couple different systems that we don't typically do here in San Diego County. So let's go up by the house and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm up here at the top right now next to the building, and you can see the Dens glass that is going up on the soffits up at the top there, which is the fire resistive waterproof drywall that we put up, and that will protect this in case of a fire, along with the metal cladding that's going over the entire outside of this building. And that will actually cover over this zip wall sheeting that we have on the exterior too, completely. So we'll have metal cladding over that. And then what I really want to show you here is this zip system that we put on, which is waterproof, membrane, and a air barrier, so no air moves in and out of the house. We're able to control the climate inside this house very good. So I'm going to show you a piece of this material that I have right here. As you can see, a little hard to see here, but this is an OSB product that we use for shear panel. And what they do is they put this waterproof coating on the outside so it doubles as our shear panel, and then also our waterproofing and air barrier on the building. And then what we do is we come back and we cover all the seams with a tape and or a liquid flashing, which you can see a liquid flashing that's right here along the window here. I'm going to back up here so you can see a little bit better, if I don't fall over myself. So you can see every seam is taped and or caulked, and we also use stretch flashing in areas where we have to go around an electrical box, or that you're seeing there is an exterior shower that's going in. So this is a very passive house. It's set up to take advantage of the sun. Even the overhangs are designed different lengths on different sides of the home to take advantage of the angle of the sun during the different seasons of the year. So we're getting it all waterproofed in right now as the weather's starting to get bad up here. So I've moved over to the other side of the house on the lower level because I wanted to also show you the ICF construction that we have down below. So this house, you can see it's buried into the side of the mountain here. So the lower level, daylight's out, and then it goes back probably another, well, you can see the door up there at the end of the scaffolding. Just back behind that, it's buried into the side of the hill here. So this is a foam block that's filled with concrete, so it has an 8-inch core. Highly efficient as far as keeping the cold and the heat in. So it works fantastic for retaining walls and anything subterranean, in addition to just being a super highly efficient home, even if you're building it on a flat lot. We do a lot of these, and they're really nice, quiet, and comfortable homes. And then again, you can see the zip sheeting down here, how we've tied it in, and then we've even caulked all this in. You can see at that edge where we've caulked this in to eliminate any air seeping in or out of this home, so it can be conditioned very passively and use very little energy. And especially since this system, there's actually no electricity here at all. It's a complete off-the-grid system. Solar panels, batteries, and generator backup. So it's real critical to have a very efficient home. You can see the flashing that we put around the windows. This is also a zip product. It's a stretch flashing. As you can see how we stretch it right around the window. And then this joint right here will actually get filled with the caulking, and then another layer of flashing will go onto this wood and then wrap around back here, and then we'll have Tyvek wrap around that as a water barrier. So just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and thank you for working with Freeman's Construction this year. We look forward to many more clients to come, and are very grateful for the work that you have entrusted us with. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you.